3. Tonight we're at Tiverton Town, down in Devon. Came here last season, it's alright, it's a nice place, nice pitch. What happened last time we came down here? 1-1, wasn't it? Harris spilled it, I believe, something like that. So we're here tonight looking for 3 points. Essential really, although we've got to squad it by injury and suspension, etc, etc. Fair old trip down here. Managed to avoid the traffic, come here. Locals seem friendly enough, apart from one geezer who's fucking giving us some grief, asking if we pay to get in. A bit old to be jumping fences at the moment, but anyway, he's fucked off somewhere else now. Been in, grabbed a cup of tea, tea's alright. Still can't find any kind of proper football grub food, it's all pasties. Now last time we had a pasty from here, it was all fucking pastry, there was no bloody filling in it, so I'm trying to avoid that until I'm really, really hungry. Checked out the bogs at this place and that, you know, very nice and clean, but then we're here before everybody else. I'm sure they'll be swimming in piss before the end of the night. We'll do another little film again when everyone turns up and get a bit of a gist of what the atmosphere is going to be like tonight. Good night tonight. So it all happens. Haven't seen any players yet. Match officials. And we're to petrol bomb. The game doesn't go our way. Some old geezer walking across the pitch. No one knows who he is. We've got a place selling sheds over here. Think of everything. They thought of everything, Pete. Exclusive B-door there. He's working out a team sheet. No news yet. What's he doing? Pete? See if we can read his lips. Okay. No, he's swearing about it. He's moaning about something. Can we zoom in anymore? Yeah, he's up to something.
Trying to stop or start a fight. I sit and watch the flashing lights, moving legs in footless tights. I go out on Friday.
Right, team news are in. Same team that started on Saturday. Good news is Rafael's on the bench though, so hopefully he'll have a part to play. Look around, pitch looks alright. Looks the grass a bit long, trying to slow us down like they tend to. Boys looking sharp out there. Coming in with a prediction, controversial, but still confident. I think it's going to be 2-2. They always give us a tough game. I don't think we'll lose our away streak by any means, but I've got a feeling we could be looking at 2-2 tonight. Probably going to be wrong again. Right, making his debut on Bulls Noise, Mr. Les Bridges, old friend of ours. What's your prediction for tonight, sir?
2-1 to Hereford.
2-1 to Hereford, oh.
Yeah.
That's what we like. Right.
Yeah, I'm being brave tonight actually with Jack and Ryan playing well at the back. I think I'll go for a 2-0. We're going to get a clean sheet tonight. So.
Confident. Pete?
Go for 2-1 today, I think. Tight
Say
game, tough
bang
game,
on Saturday as
Yeah.
well, so he's keen. Scotty Ellis, what do you reckon?
I think it could be a close game. I think it's going to be 2-2.
2-2, yeah. Lids, what do you reckon today? 2-1, nice one. So we got some kind of bizarre mating display from the officials. I don't know what's going on. Check the referee. Playing tag. In addition, oh, there was a rehearsal of actually putting his arm up there. What? I mean, they can practice especially when they still get most of the decisions wrong. We're off. Come on, horse. Time report, we're 2-up, and to be fair, we're playing out of our skins all over them. Who had the first one? Haitian.
Haitian, yeah.
Took his goal nicely. Come up here, they've not really threatened us a couple of times towards the end, but they've only got a goal from a penalty which should never have been a pen in the first place. Jesus, first of all, he's trying to appeal for handball, and happening, then he falls over his own bloody feet, ref comes running up, gives a pen straight off. Fair play to that guy, he took the penalty well. We've got them there, we're playing some great, playing really well out on the wings. Ball's come over, Smith's prodded it in with his head, I believe. Still got a way off it. We're 2-1 up, and I've got a feeling there's going to be some more goals coming in here because we look good. We do look good today. We've still got people like Rafael now on the bench, and we need to get that extra bit of creativity. So, well played, boys. We're in this. We need these 3 points. Tiverton looked a bit shit today, actually. It's the worst I think I've seen them. So, or maybe we're just outclassing it. Ooh, now look it. Come on, It's all happening, it's all happening. That's what we like to see. Greeners, haven't they? Problem is the rest are cheat, so he'll be sending some bars off. What's he put green for? And what about the original challenge?
Very good, green is what he put your hands on the chest.
Hey, fucking time, ref! Fucking twat!
Ref's lost it.
He has. Yeah.
Well played, boys. Keep pressure on.
Come on, Jim. Word. Word.
Free has lost it. Mac is gone. No one knows why.
Well, lads. Oh.
Bloody hell, ref!
Making a right decision for once. Full time 2-2. Didn't think we'd get a lot down here. Referee's a fucking cheat, to be fair. There was nothing going on with Macca. He sent him off for no reason. But a point's a point down here. The keeper's getting some stick for the boys over there, and deservedly so, but time wasting. I don't know. Second half, they came out fighting a little bit. You know, we should have done better. But back to it on Saturday. Right, so there you go. Tiverton 2, Hereford 2. What about our game, really? We knew what we were going to get. They were going to knock us around a little bit. Dirty, that's the dirtiest that I can remember them playing. Yeah, I'm surprised that we never picked up more injuries because there were some shocking challenges in there. But the ref seemed to think that was okay. Yeah, it was alright to be booking us and sending our players off for just trivial offences. The refs cheated us out of the game. I've got no qualms about saying that, and I'm not alone in thinking that. I think everybody apart from a Tiverton fan would probably agree that. But, you know, it could have been worse. We could have lost. And we didn't. So our unbeaten streak continues for however long this is now. It's like a ridiculous amount of time. And at times we played, the first half in particular, I thought we played really, really well. Second half, you know, they battered us around a little bit, and we were struggling a bit, you know, I think, matching up to it. But, you know, in the old days, we'd have caved in. But we didn't. We stuck it out. So 2-2 it was. We move forward. So we got like some home games now. We got Weymouth in the Trophy on Saturday. Another league game Tuesday night, FA Cup on the following Saturday, so it's going to be a busy time. Good to see Rafael is back in contention again. He came on the last few minutes last night, and already it looked a different class. Simo will be back Tuesday, I guess, and because I think last night's game would have suited him. And Preeny's back as well, so that should be good. Don't know if our Dinsley's off. We're going to lose Macca soon as well, so. You know, it's just one thing after another at the moment. But you know, as long as we stick it out, keep up as far as we can. Slough look like the team to beat at the moment, but I think we could take them. You know, we played them with half a side when they beat us. So I'm not going to do another one of these now until the cup game, the FA Cup game, the Telford match. Give everyone a chance to catch up with what's been going on. And again, thanks to everyone for watching and taking a bit of notice and spreading the word around. It's good fun doing this. Takes a little bit of time, but it's worth it. Give people an insight on what goes on, you know, especially away from home. You can hear the boys in full voice and girls, obviously, in full voice in the background of here. Great atmosphere again last night. Great support. Tuesday night, going down to Devon. You know, there's not a lot of non-league clubs that would be doing that. I mean, look how many people turn up at Egg Street, like 7. From such and such a place. You know, at least we make the effort. We get behind the lads on that. So let's keep this going. I'm still confident that we're going to win this league. It's going to be a rocky road, but I'm you know, I think we're going to win it. So until next time, episode 4, FA Cup special. Catch you guys later. See ya.
2 pints of lager and a packet of crisps, please. 2 pints of lager and a packet of crisps, please.